Hello everyone, Michael here once again from the Daily Note 2 YouTube channel. Today I want to show you an app that is really too good to be free, but it is. It's called Mobizen, and it is really powerful and has unique features. So let's go over how to install this app and go over all the cool things this app can do. The easiest way to install this app will be through the Google Play Store, but a lot of people have told me that they are told the app is not available for download in some countries. So you can get this by going to this link hosted on their website. Thanks to Greg PC Handyman for providing that for us, and also thanks to Mike from Maine for telling me about this app. One thing you need to do is make sure you enable USB debugging to run this app. You also need to download the Mobizen Windows application, and although it may seem like a long process initially, you only need to do this once, and it is very good in walking you through the process of connecting for the first time. And after that, connecting becomes a cinch, and it will let you connect through USB or Wi-Fi. So let's connect it. Mobizen has a background service that runs, so when you have the device connected over USB, or your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you just have to start your application on your PC, and it will automatically connect. You can see that there's a notification alert, and now we're connected. You can see the screen needs to stay on while you're accessing it, so I prefer to reduce the screen brightness. Here's one cool trick that I didn't know until just recently. You can resize the phone. Double click to toggle between the original size and the last size you had it at. I currently have my computer running in 1080p, and you can see it will go all the way. You can make it go bigger. You can force it in landscape mode using the rotation locker app, or it will happen automatically when you launch apps that only runs in landscape mode. And before you get any ideas about gaming, I want to let you know that the frame rate is pretty limited. If I had to guess, maybe around 15 frames per second. You can see it comes with a nice looking skin for your Galaxy Note 2. All the buttons work: volume up, volume down, menu, the back button, home button, but it doesn't give you the power button. But I can get around it by installing an app called Screen Off and Lock. Let's go over some other features. You can access the Note 2 with a keyboard and mouse, and that includes the ability to type as well. And it seems to do okay with other languages, or at least with my Korean keyboard. With Mobizen, you can also back up your apps, and while it's backing up, you could still use the phone. Now I must stress that this is not going to back up your data. For example, if you back up your apps, uninstall the app, then restore it, you can see that it skips through all the ones that you have installed, and it will restore the app, but not the data. So for example, if it's a game, you will lose all the progress you made in the app, and you will have to start from the beginning. If you're looking for a backup solution of your apps and data on an unhacked device, there is an app called Helium, formerly called Carbon. I'll probably do my next video on that. On to other features, you can hit this triangle button below the Samsung logo, and with this icon you can take a screenshot, which gets saved to your PC. The next icon, you can take a video of you using the Note 2, like the screen recorder function that never came on the Galaxy Note 2 officially. You can see the mouse and touch location is captured. You can record with the skin or without it in 2 video formats. All this is configurable in the settings, but with that said, the quality of the video is pretty limited. You can write on the Note 2 screen from the PC. Not sure what this may be used for, but if you're using the Note 2 to do presentations with, sure, why not? With this icon, you can access files, or you could copy one or more files by dragging it. But I guess it would only make sense to do this through Mobizen when you're connected over Wi-Fi. One last thing, there is a task killer function right above the home screen that works just a little differently than holding the home button for your recent apps. One last tip, if you do run into some problems getting the Galaxy Note 2 recognized on your PC, I would recommend you download Samsung Keys from the Samsung website. It's a software much like iTunes, but by Samsung for your Galaxy devices. And when you install it, it installs the drivers for your device, and that tends to fix most connectivity issues through USB. So anyway, that's Mobizen. It's hard to believe it's free and how full-featured it is. Seeing how commercial their presentation is, I think they do plan on charging for it in the future. And don't forget to check out more videos about the Galaxy Note 2 in my channel, and make sure you subscribe for more upcoming videos. Once again, thank you for watching.